How to enable double tap to lock your screen, double tap to wake up, and also double tap to lock it back. And this is for Samsung phones with Android 16, okay? So we're talking about the feature known as double tapping, and it is part of the motions and gestures Samsung Android 16. So go ahead now and use the quick access like this here, and you'll go into the settings right there, and you wanna go into your search here and just type in the word double. And as you start doing that, double tap and then to wake or to turn off. Okay, so just go ahead and type that in. You'll see these suggestions. Make sure you're under advanced features here, and then go ahead and tap on it here so it'll take you where you need to be. So you got the double tap to turn on the screen. This is while you are on the lock screen. Then you have double tap to turn off screen. So if you're on a home screen, you double tap it and it'll turn it off for you, or while on a lock screen. So for example, once you have these two on, if you double tap a blank area now on your home screen here like this, so in a blank area 1, 2, it's gonna go into the off screen mode. So double tapping again anywhere 1, 2 will wake it up. And while in the off screen like this mode here, you can double tap again, I'll show you now, to lock it back, okay, instead of having to press your power button every time, right? Then of course, if you don't want these features, that's where you would go to turn them off, like and sub.